And this one, box is Fantastic Four.
Okay.
Let's go check them.
Okay.
Over here, look like this.
What's that? Sabi mo.
What's that?
Pakita mo.
What's that, Dad?
Sabi mo, this is...
This is Fantastic Four.
Okay. Next,
Next,
we have here.
I don't know.
You don't know him? I
Yeah.
don't know too. There's a name over there. Can I see?
Oh,
Cheating.
cheating is
This
here.
is cheating.
This is cheating.
This one, who's this again?
Fantastic
Mr.
Four.
Fantastic.
Mr. Fantastic is Johnny.
Johnny? No, this is Human Torch.
Human Torch
Yeah.
is Visible Woman.
Can I see?
Visible Woman, tama.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Good
Yes.
job. Oh,
And this is card. Let's go for this. And this
cheating.
cheating. And this cheating. And no. So I have this way. Look at this invisible woman
Okay.
in movies and that. Yes. This is fantastic. Mr. Fantastic. Yes. And another
You forgot. Human Torch.
Human Torch. And Spider-Man versus Fantastic Four. And this is a movie. Bye.